My hands were shaking.
It can't be.
I wasn't sure I was ready to read his final words.
Robert.
I gently opened the old envelope. Inside was a single folded sheet of paper, yellowed with time. I recognized every curve of his handwriting. It felt as though he was sitting beside me again. I took a deep breath and began to read. My darling, if you're reading this, it means I couldn't stay as long as I wanted. Please don't spend the rest of your life crying for me. Before I could read another line, my tears blurred the words. I had to stop. I never imagined his first sentence would heal and break my heart at the very same time. What he wrote next changed everything. Part 3, his final wish.